In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a formula into a report in Xero. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to apply a ready-made formula so your profit and loss report tells a clearer story. Start by opening Xero and heading straight to the reporting area. This is your home base for all the standard and custom reports. Once you're there, choose the profit and loss report. We're using profit and loss because it's one of the most common places you'll want to show calculated figures, like trading income, cost of sales, or gross profit. Don't worry about the date range just yet. The layout changes you make here apply to how the report is structured, not the period you've selected. When the report opens, look for the Edit Layout option at the bottom left of the page and click it. This switches the report into edit mode so you can change how rows are arranged and, most importantly, where formulas live. You'll see the report content on the left and a helpful settings panel on the right. Next, select the field in the report where you want the calculation to appear. This could be a section header or a row that groups certain accounts. Selecting a field tells Xero which part of the layout you're working with and unlocks the relevant options in the side panel. On the right-hand side, locate the formula area. This is where Xero lets you attach calculations to the selected field. Think of formulas here as shortcuts to common calculations that the system already understands. No need to write complex expressions yourself. Click the plus icon to add a formula. This adds a new calculation entry for the selected part of the report. You'll see options appear so you can choose exactly what kind of calculation you want. Now click Insert and pick from the existing formulas provided, such as trading income, cost of sale, and gross profit. These presets are built to work with standard profit and loss structures, so they'll automatically reference the right accounts and groupings. Choose the one that matches what you want to show. As you add it, keep an eye on the preview so you can see where the calculated line will land and how it affects subtotals. When you're happy with how everything looks, click Update Layout. This saves your changes to the report structure, so the formula will appear every time you run this layout. If totals look unexpected after saving, double check that you selected the correct field before inserting the formula and confirm your reporting period and filters align with your intent. That's it. Your profit and loss now includes a clear, calculated line using Xero's built-in formulas.